What's up, guys? Your boy Big A here with another video. So today I'm going to do my very first unboxing video ever. So we've got 1, 2, and 3 unboxings to do. So without further ado, guys, let's get started. I hope you guys enjoy this. All right. Let's see here. Let's take our little fancy utility knife here. All right, let's see. Okay, let's get into this, guys. Okay, awesome. So this is the Greenlight hitch and tow Volkswagen Samba Bus and 1959 Cessna travel trailer. This is pretty awesome. It's got the little Scooby-Doo theme going on. Check out the decos there. Check out the surfboards. Check out that white interior. Pretty awesome piece. This is very cool. So glad I picked this up. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but you know, I'm a huge fan of Scooby-Doo, and this is gonna be part of that collection now. So pretty cool. Let's move on to the next one. Let's see here. We got, oh nice, been waiting for these for a long time. So the first one up is the Maisto Volkswagen Van Samba. Now, gray here, pretty cool. As I shared with you guys before, I'm not a big fan of the Maisto brand, but when pieces like this come up, you know, I pick them up, guys. You know, these are hard to find. I don't know where you guys live, where you guys are located, or what have you, but you know, here in California, you don't come across these pieces very often. So, you know, I was doing some shopping online, and I came across this one, and there's another one that I bought that I'm going to be showing you in just a bit. So, anyways, guys, I picked this one up. Very cool. And the next one up, it's another Volkswagen Van Samba or Samba Bus from the Maisto brand. This one in a hot pink with a white top there. Love the color scheme, the pink and white. Check out the, looks like it's got a chrome wheel there. And even the, what do you call it? The steering wheel is chrome. It's kind of hard to tell, but there you go. Trying to get it focused. There you go, guys. So that's pretty cool. The interior is white. Very cool. Check out the details on this one. Very nice piece. I'm so lucky I found these. And it even comes with a collector card. So it's hard to tell because it's in the package and stuff. But inside there's a collector card. Let me see. There it is, guys. That's the card right there. It sits just above the car there. And as you can see, it covers half of the car. So, you know, apparently it's a set of 6 cars. I did not see the other 4 cars on the collection, but by looking at the makes and models of these cars, I probably wouldn't have picked them up anyways. Looks like there are 2. Let's see. There are 2 Samba buses, 97 or 87 Chevrolet 1500, a 36 Ford Coupe. Maybe that one I would have picked up, but I can't say for sure unless I see it. Let's see, another 37 Ford Coupe, and a 37 Buick Pedal Type R or Type T. Anyways, whatever, guys. So anyways, pretty cool set. So glad I found these. Let's see here. Let's move on to the last box. This one here apparently was not taped or anything. So, I'm just hoping that what I ordered is in here. So let's check this out. Let's see here. Box. Here. Aha! There we go. Check this out, guys. It's a 68 El Camino treasure hunt. So this is pretty cool. It has the real riders on it, metal base, and it's like a hot pink color. I know it's a little hard to tell on the video. It's got the black top there with a chrome engine there on the bed and a black interior. Really, really cool. Looks like this is number 5 of 12 treasure hunts that came out in that year. Oh, here we go. It says looks like 2008. Yep, that's about right. This looks like a 2008 treasure hunt. If I'm wrong, guys, please feel free to leave a comment and correct me on that, but I'm pretty sure that's what this is. So anyways, guys, that is it for today. Just wanted to share what I acquired. I hope you guys have luck out there hunting. I know that some stores are not putting anything out yet. Apparently, they're holding off because it's tax season, and the more inventory they have, the more liability they have, and blah 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 blah. So that's why they haven't been putting anything out. So anyways, guys, you guys have a great day. Happy hunting. God bless, and take care, man. Catch you guys next time. Peace.